The drone industry, as you know, it has just been completely turned upside down, and DJI has quietly unleashed a piece of technology that makes every single traditional camera drone on the market obsolete overnight. For years, content creators, travel vloggers, and professional cinematographers have been trapped in a frustrating cycle of missing the perfect shot because their drone was pointed the wrong way, or crashing expensive setups trying to pull off complex manual maneuvers. But right now, DJI has secretly changed the rules of physics and aerial filmmaking with the release of the groundbreaking DJI Avata 360. If you own a DJI Avata 2, a Mavic, a Mini, or if you've been saving your hard-earned money to buy a premium cinematic drone, you need to freeze and pay close attention to every single second of this video, because this device fundamentally alters how humans capture reality from the sky. This is not just a minor refresh or a standard hardware update with a slightly better battery. This is an absolute multi-billion-dollar masterstroke designed to completely eliminate rivals like the anti-gravity A1 and lock down the future of content creation for the next decade. You have probably seen the gorgeous promotional clips and heard the basic specs floating around online, but nobody is talking about the real engineering secrets, the insane post-production workflow tricks, and the terrifying level of creative freedom this machine actually unlocks for anyone lucky enough to fly it. To truly grasp how insane this technological leap is, you have to understand the nightmare that DJI engineers had to solve behind closed doors. Traditional 360-degree cameras are notoriously difficult to mount on drones because the body of the drone, the propellers, and the landing gear inevitably ruin the shot, requiring hours of painful digital masking and erasing in post-production. DJI solved this with a mind-boggling, rotating dual-lens mechanical design that completely shifts its physical orientation the moment it takes off. On the ground, it looks like a rugged, beefed-up sinew hoop with a front-facing camera. But the second it clears the ground, the internal virtual gimbal mechanism engages, turning one massive fisheye lens directly upward and the other directly downward to capture a flawless, continuous 8K spherical map of the entire sky. The drone body is computationally stitched out of the frame instantly and perfectly, meaning you are no longer flying a camera. You are flying an invisible, floating eye that sees absolutely everything in all directions simultaneously, at a blistering 60 frames per second. This introduces a terrifyingly powerful concept known as post-flight reframing.